Hi guys, and welcome back to another video of me trying to be someone else. Today I'm going to be turning myself into a gamer girl. Like, can you imagine me doing this makeup? I found this makeup on TikTok and I felt like her makeup was just so cool and cute. I don't know much about her. I will leave her at right here, but yeah, she looks so pretty. So I wanted to do this makeup. So she looks like she has like green eyes naturally, but I don't, so I'm just going to be putting on contacts. And these are the Olens French Gold 3-Con Olive. I believe these are new, and I personally love these contacts because they are slightly enlarging and they're very natural. Let me just put it on. Not much of a difference, but it's very natural and great for daily use. I'm going to get onto the foundation and I'm just gonna go through this quickly. I feel like there's no specific way of how she put on the foundations. I'm just using this one. This is the hardcover glow foundation from holika, and I've been loving this foundation lately. It's like a little watery texture. As you can see, it like flows down. I don't know, I feel like this has like perfect coverage, doesn't dry out, but it also sticks to the skin perfectly. And after I put on powder and everything, my skin just looks so good. I'm always excited to do like a makeup look, but I'm really excited to do this one because I can't imagine myself as a gamer girl. I don't know if this is like gamer girl makeup, but that's what I said on TikTok. So the foundation is finished and I'm just going to be applying some powder really quick. And then I'm gonna do some nose contouring, and I feel like she has a very like short and cute nose, so I'm just going to kind of try to get that nose. I'm going to contour the bottom of my nose to make it look more shorter. Then I'm gonna contour like into a little button nose. And for the brow, she has like this arch going on, so I'm gonna make that arch. I'm going to use the Baby Got Peach palette from Colourpop, and it has like very pretty peach shadows. In the inner corner of her eyes, she looks like she has like this shimmery color, so I'm gonna take this peachy shimmery shade right here. I'm gonna take that on the inner corner and blend it out towards the middle. I'm using this shade called Perky, and I'm just blending it out towards the outer part. Well, maybe I should have applied this color before the inner corners. Oh well, I'll just go over it again. So I'm just gonna go over that with the first shade. I'm just gonna apply that matte peach shade again on the bottom lash line. She looks like she has this on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take this half-baked shade, which is like a darker peachy shade. I'm gonna apply that on the outer eyelid. I'm just gonna use this KKW highlighter, and this broke while I was trying to film, so I can't show you, but I'm still gonna use it. I'm so sad though, like I always break everything when I'm filming, so I'm just gonna apply that on the inner corner. I love this highlighter, it's so glowy. I am going to tightline with a black gel eyeliner. I'm going to draw like the inner corners to make it more like longer in the inner corner. This person has very long eyes, so I'm going to try to have bigger eyes like her, but obviously that's not gonna work that well. This kind of reminds me of like the fox eye. And then I'm gonna draw what looks to be a very thick black eyeliner. I usually don't draw eyebrows like this, but I like how this makes my eyes look longer. Okay, so she has this white eyeliner on her lower lash line, so I'm taking this Colourpop white gel eyeliner and drawing that. And it looks like it starts from here, so this is really cool because I've never seen anything like this. I look so weird. Maybe if I put on some lashes, I don't know. So I'm gonna put on lashes, and today I am using these from Colourpop. These are called Queenie. I'm just going to draw some eyelashes. I saw that was a thing on TikTok. I don't know if those are her real lashes or if she drew them in, but I'm just gonna draw them. I'm gonna use this white glitter shade and I'm just gonna apply it on the eyelid. And I'm gonna make sure to just apply a very tiny amount. I'm using these two blushes. This one is called Fig Chip and this one is called Peach Chip. This girl has some blush on her nose and I think this is gonna really give it that gamer. Is this gamer makeup? I feel like I look like more like a clown. Like I don't know why I look like a clown, but like everyone that does this looks so good, and then there's me, like what the heck is this? And then I'm gonna apply some highlighter on the tip of my nose and also on the nose bridge. And then I'm gonna draw like the little cheek things, the lines. Then there's like a little heart. There's a little heart here as well. I'm gonna draw one here. I don't know if she has one on the other side, but for the lips, I'm using this Amuse lip tint, and I don't know how, but she has like the perfect lips too. This is such a pretty color. I just found this like sitting in the back of my makeup drawer. I love this lip color. I can't believe this was sitting in the back of my closet. Not closet, makeup drawer. I look like a deer. So I think this makeup is finished.